¿cómo están ustedes? Yo estoy muy bien, no estoy mal, no estoy así, estoy muy bien. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo señora Norsworthy. ¿Y cuántos años tienes? Yo tengo 38 años. ¿Cuántos años tienes tú? ¿Tienes 5 años? 6, 7, 8, 9. Muy bien. All right, vamos a repasar. Let's review. Let's do something wild and crazy. We can go out of order today, kind of mix things up. So let's start backwards. This was the last thing we learned last time. We can start with this first. So here's our family tree. Maybe I should start with some of the old things. Do you remember what this is called? What he's called? Abuelo. Now, abuelo is grandfather. For those of you who speak Spanish, maybe you've heard the word abuelito or abuelita. That's like saying grandma or grandpa, which is perfectly fine. So abuelo or abuelito, abuela or abuelita. So this is abuelo, abuela, abuelo, abuela. And then our mom and dad, madre, padre, madre, padre. And then this is actually mother and father. Madre is mother, padre is father. To say mom and dad, you'd say mama and papa. So just mama, papa. And boy and girl, do you remember that? It's a hard one. Chico, chica. Well, that's not too hard. What's the word for brother, sister? That's the hard one. Hermano, hermana. So what's brother and sister again? Hermano, hermana. Hermano, hermana. Hermano, hermana. Good. All right, so this is your abuela and your abuelo. And these would be your parents. So this is your padre, and this is your madre. This would be you, so this would be your hermana, hermano, hermana, hermano, padre, madre, abuela, abuelo. And boy and girl would be chico, chica. Very great. So, ¿cuántos hermanos tienes? When I say ¿cuántos hermanos tienes, I'm saying how many siblings do you have? So right now, wherever you are, you can pause this video and you can say yo tengo, that means I have, and then using your numbers that you know, you can put together a sentence. You can say yo tengo un or uno hermano or una hermana. You could say, yo tengo dos hermanos, yo tengo tres hermanos, yo tengo un hermano y una hermana. Whatever family you have, you could say, yo tengo un padre y un madre, yo tengo un abuelo y una abuela. Or maybe you're lucky enough to have two grandma and grandpa still alive. None of my grandparents are alive because I'm older, but my sons have dos abuelos y dos abuelas. All right, so maybe pause this and you can talk about your family. All right, if we're back now, we can start on clothing. What kind of clothing are you wearing? Yo llevo. Actually, everybody can stand up. Let's talk about the clothes that we're wearing. I'm gonna stand up. Don't worry, remember kids, I record these videos all on the same day, so I'm not still wearing the same outfit as I did last week. I've got my boots on. So, yo tengo botas. Yo llevo botas. Yo llevo, what are these? Pantalones. Yo llevo una camisa. Yo llevo un suéter. If you have on a vestido, how about you stand up? What is a vestido? It's a dress. If you have on a abrigo, a coat, stand up. If you are wearing pantalones cortos, stand up. If you are wearing a camisa, stand up. All right, now for calcetines. What are calcetines? They are socks. Stand up if you have a calcetines. What about the things that you put on your hands? What are those called? Guantes. Stand up if you have guantes. What about, did we already do falda? If you're wearing a falda, stand up. That's a skirt. Or una chaqueta. Chaqueta is just a jacket. Maybe you're just wearing a sporty kind of jacket. Or I think a sweatshirt should count too. What about on top of your head? We wear a gorro. If you're wearing a gorro, you can stand up. And last but not least, zapatos. Everybody probably is wearing zapatos. If you're not wearing zapatos, maybe you're at home. All right. Next, let's talk about our face. ¿Dónde está tu cara? Cara. ¿Dónde está tu pelo? Pelo. ¿Dónde está tu nariz? ¿Dónde está tu boca? Boca. ¿Dónde están tus dientes? ¿Dónde están tus orejas? ¿Dónde están tus ojos? Ojos. Buen trabajo. All right, let's see if you can remember your food words. Break out my food. ¿Qué es esto? What is this? Plátano. ¿Qué es esto? What is this? Pollo. ¿Qué es esto? Pan. ¿Qué es esto? Una papa. ¿Qué es esto? Remember, it's our makeshift ensalada. ¿Qué es esto? Leche. ¿Qué es esto? Carne. ¿Qué es esto? Un sándwich. ¿Y cómo se dice orange? Anaranjado. ¿Cómo se dice water? Agua. ¿Cómo se dice apple? Manzana. ¿Y cómo se dice cheese? Queso. ¿Cómo se dice, how do you say juice? Jugo. Buen trabajo. All right, let's go through these really fast. Tijeras. Libro. Puerta. Lápiz. Pluma. Escritorio. Cuaderno. Borrador. Mesa. Silla. Ventana. Papel. Buen trabajo. All right, now get out your dedo, that's your finger, and I want you to point. Point to something anaranjado. ¿Dónde está anaranjado? All right, now point to something amarillo. Amarillo. Point to something blanco. I see something blanco over there. Blanco. Point to something morado. My phone case is morado. Morado. Point to something rosado. Oh, I see something behind there, right there. That's rosado. Point to something that is café, my color favorito. Café. Point to something negro. Negro, negro. I see negro right here. Negro. Oh yeah, and right here, of course. All right, point to something rojo. I see something rojo. Mi botella de agua es rojo. Point to something azul. Azul, azul, azul. And then last but not least, verde. You guys can see a smidge of verde right there. There's your verde. Great. All right, let's count and we will be done. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We did it. Awesome. Give yourselves a high five. I'll see you guys next time. Hasta luego.